Inside an engine, chaos is constant. Pistons firing, metal slamming, explosions every second. One mistake, one tiny delay, and everything collapses. Watch this. Timing fails, pistons collide, metal bends, sparks fly. Push it harder, faster, beyond its limits. Heat rises, pressure builds. The engine starts tearing itself apart. This is where most things break. But not this. Because this machine fights back. Oil flows like liquid armor, cooling every moving part. Heat gets pulled away before it becomes destruction. And right before disaster, it stops itself. Wait, modern engines don't just run, they protect themselves. Control versus chaos. Precision versus failure. Same speed, same power. One survives. The other destroys itself. So why doesn't it explode? It's not rocket. It's engineering.